Which garden auger spiral drill bit is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Set. First up is the K-Brands Auger Drill Bit Set, which includes 2 bits priced at $29.99. What caught my attention here is the variety of tasks it can handle, from planting bulbs to creating holes for fence posts. If you want a reliable solution for your gardening tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These 1.6-inch and 3.5-inch bits are designed to cut through soil effortlessly thanks to their 135-degree cutting angle. The heavy-duty alloy steel construction ensures durability, making it ideal for different soil types, even hard ground. With 6,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this set has gained popularity. Over 4,000 sold just last month. Here's the thing though, if you already have a standard 3/8 hex drill, you'll find this won't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for anyone looking to make their garden work easier, not for heavy-duty commercial use. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gardener or DIY enthusiast looking to plant bulbs and set up outdoor decor quickly. Skip this one if you need something for industrial-level tasks. At $29.99, it's a great value for the quality you get. Now, if the limited sizes of the K-Brands set bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, K-Brands 4-pack auger drill bits. Next up is another K-Brands product, the 4-pack auger drill bits, priced at $39.99. This caught my eye because you get 4 different sizes, perfect for any digging job. If you want versatility in your gardening tools, this is worth a serious look. The quality heavy-duty steel construction means it's built to last through tough jobs, whether you're planting bulbs or installing a fence. With 6,700 reviews and a strong 4.5-star rating, it's no wonder these are flying off the shelves with over 1,000 sold last month. Now, some users have mentioned that the bits can be a bit tricky to handle without 2 people. Here's the thing though, it just takes a bit of practice. Once you get the hang of it, the efficiency you gain makes it well worth any initial awkwardness. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself tackling various outdoor projects and need a reliable tool. Skip this one if you're only looking for occasional planting. At $39.99, the variety and quality make it a solid investment for any homeowner. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want heavy-duty performance. Product number 3, TCBWFY Garden Auger Spiral Drill Bits. The next product is the TCBWFY 4-pack Garden Auger Spiral Drill Bits, retailing for $26.99. What I love about this set is how it combines quality with affordability. If you want a powerful yet budget-friendly digging solution, this is worth a serious look. These bits are made from heavy-duty steel, ensuring high durability and strength. With a 4.4-star rating from over 14,300 reviews, it's clear that many users trust this product to tackle their gardening tasks, and around 500 sold last month backs that up. However, some users felt the bits could wear out faster than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using them primarily for home gardening, they should last quite a while. It's more of a concern for those doing intensive work regularly. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, cost-effective solution for planting and digging. Skip this one if you need something for extreme conditions. For $26.99, it's a great deal for the quality and performance you get. Now, if you're looking for something specifically for deeper holes, this next one might just catch your attention. Product number 4, K-Brands 4-inch auger drill bit. The K-Brands 4-inch auger drill bit is next on the list, priced at $23.99. This caught my attention for its larger diameter, perfect for bigger planting jobs. If you want to dig deep holes quickly and efficiently, this is worth a serious look. At 4 inches wide and 12 inches long, this bit is designed for substantial digging tasks. Whether you're planting shrubs or installing posts, the heavy-duty steel construction means it won't back down from any soil type. With a 4.5-star rating and 6,700 reviews, It's a clear favorite among users who appreciate its effectiveness. Now, some users have pointed out that the bit can struggle a bit in very rocky soils. Here's the thing though, if you prepare the area beforehand, it works just fine. This is fantastic for anyone looking to tackle larger gardening projects with ease. This is perfect for you if you want something reliable for substantial planting tasks. Skip this one if you're only doing light gardening work. For $23.99, it's a fantastic investment given the quality and performance. Now, if you're on a budget but still need something effective, the last product could be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, MAXCCINO Auger Drill Bit. Lastly, we have the MAXCCINO Auger Drill Bit, which is priced affordably at just $9.99. This bit stood out due to its incredible efficiency and low price. If you want an effective tool without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This 2-inch diameter and 14.5-inch long auger bit is perfect for various planting tasks. It's designed with upgraded blades to enhance efficiency, making it easier to dig through different types of soil. With a 4.6-star rating and around 2,400 reviews, it seems to be a hit for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Over 3,000 have been bought in the last month. However, some users have mentioned that it may not hold up as well for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing though, for everyday gardening, it's more than capable and performs like a champ. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable solution for casual gardening tasks. Skip this one if you need a professional-grade tool. At $9.99, it's a steal for what you get. So to wrap it up, we've looked at a variety of auger drill bits today, from the versatile K-brand sets to the budget-friendly MAXCCINO option. Each of these tools has its strengths depending on your gardening needs. Whether you're looking for something heavy-duty or just a reliable option for planting, there's definitely something here for you.